In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use your HP DeskJet 2922 printer. So I'll show you how to install the ink. I'll show you how to load the paper, connect to Wi-Fi, absolutely everything that you need to know. We're going to start off with just removing the blue plastic strips that's on the front of the printer. Make sure you pull out the tray at the front. Then lift the lid for the scanner glass and remove the strip of plastic that's along the right hand side. To turn the printer on, take your power cord, then turn the printer around, and in the very middle, down here, you will see where it gets plugged into. Your printer should come on automatically. You'll see something on the screen and the power button blinking. But if it doesn't turn on, just press this button once. Take your ink cartridges out of this plastic packaging. Here I've got the color ink. Just completely remove it. And then you'll notice there's an orange strip on the top of it. Go ahead and peel this strip off, but make sure not to touch the contacts or the print head. If you need to set it down, just rest it on its side like this. We'll do the same for the black ink now. To find where the ink needs to go, pull on this tray at the front of the printer. It does take quite a bit of force to open it. Then there is a second tray. Simply just pull this down, and with the printer turned on, you'll see the ink trays are presented to you here. So we can see on this sticker that the color ink cartridge goes on the left and the black goes on the right. So now, taking the color ink, here it is, we're just going to glide it in with the contacts facing the back of the printer like this. Then once it's rested like this, just give it one final push with your thumb until it clicks into place. And now we'll do the same with the black. So just glide it in. Then when you have it resting like this, hold on to the printer and then push with your thumb until you hear it click. Then all you need to do is just lift both lids, and the ink has now been installed. So if you look at the printer's control panel now, you should see both inks and how much is in them. Rotate your printer to the side like this. Take this grey latch and hold it forward, and then pull on this tray here and just let it lean back, and that's where the paper will rest against. You'll then see this blue tab. This is to adjust the width of the paper. So for A4 size paper, with your thumb, just press this blue tab the whole way across. Then while still holding that plastic tab open, with your other hand, take your paper and simply glide it into the back of the printer, and then you can let go. The printer will then automatically print out this page. It wants you to copy it in order to get the best print quality. So to do that, open up the lid at the top of the printer. Then take the page that was printed, and we're going to place it face down on the scanner glass like this. Then you want to push it over to the bottom right of the glass. Then go ahead and close the lid. Now if you come to the control panel, you'll see it says 0 here on the screen. Then come and press this last button here. That's going to give us a black and white copy, and you'll see this number changes to 1, which means one copy is going to be printed. And once that comes out, that means our print quality is done. So you can take out the original from the scanner glass. We first need to put the printer into power mode. So you'll notice in power mode if this button is blinking blue. So if it's not, all you need to do is hold the X button and the Wi-Fi button in at the same time. Hold them in for a few seconds, and then you'll see that the Wi-Fi button is now flashing blue and it's ready to pair. So now just come over to your phone and either on the App Store or the Play Store, search for HP. This is the official HP app that we're going to be using to print and scan. So go ahead and download it, open it. Here I'm going to decline the optional data, just so my information isn't sent. And now it's going to prompt you to create a HP account, which you need to do in order to use the features. So go ahead and do that, it doesn't take too long. Once you've created an account and signed in, it's going to redirect you back to the app and you'll get a few pop-ups here. I'm going to allow the app to send me notifications. And now you need to allow HP to find devices on local networks, so press allow. Then come to the bottom where it says let's get started and press add device, and we will set up a new printer. It's going to automatically find your HP DeskJet 2900 series, select it. Then connect the printer to the Wi-Fi. You're going to press this yes button and it's going to start the accessory setup, so you just need to wait here on it find your Wi-Fi. It should find your Wi-Fi name with a check mark beside it. Go ahead and press next in the top right and you'll get a confirmation that it's now joining your Wi-Fi. Around a minute later, you'll see that it's joined. Press done in the top right. And now you need to confirm that you're close to the printer. So to do that, the information button will flash. Just press this I button once. And then the screen on your phone is going to automatically update. And that's just confirmed that you are the one trying to connect. So after that, I'm going to decline this optional data pop-up once again. Now towards the end of the setup, you'll see that it's just registering your printer. And then HP is going to try to sell you on some of their ink services. I don't want it, so I'm just going to skip the offer. So I'll scroll down here and skip the trial and press skip once more. But if you want to opt into it, you can go ahead. And now it's going to ask you if you want the printer to automatically update or if you want it to notify you when an update is available. I'm just going to select auto update and then press save just because it's less hassle. And now finally, you're going to be asked if you want to print a test page, but it's just a waste of ink, so we'll skip the test page and then press continue. And now finally, we see the home screen of the HP app, so you see the printer name and we see the current ink levels, which means we're now connected. From the home screen of the HP app, with your printer selected, scroll down and you have a few options here. We can print photos or print documents. I'll select print documents. And now you need to allow HP access to your phone's photo library. And simply just go into your phone's files and find the item that you want to print. So I'll just select this. That will show you a print preview. And then along the bottom, tap on print preview. Now here, if you swipe up, you can change a few things here. So you can press this plus icon and add more copies. You can change the print quality. And you can also change if you want it to be in color or grayscale or black. So finally, come to the bottom and just tap on print. And that's going to give us our very first page using this printer. So the first time printing, it might take a while just so the printer gets started. And here we have our first page. So if you just come back to your phone and press done in the top right, that's going to bring you back to the home screen of the HP app. So once again, just come back to the home screen here where you have all these different options. You're going to select the one that says scan. Then we will X out this pop-up. Just tap on where it says entire scan area at the top. That's going to open up your scan settings, so you can change the page size if you want. You can change the quality of the scan. So the highest DPI is going to give you the best possible scan, but it's just going to take longer. And then finally you can change if you want the scan to be in color or not. So if you come back to this main page here at the bottom, you can also choose between document or a photo. And now that you have your settings all configured, take the item that you want to scan and open up the printer's scanning lid, and we're going to place it face down on the scanner glass, so like this. Then to align it with the scanner, there is this arrow in the bottom right of the printer. Just drag it over here like this and then close the lid. Now finally just come to the very bottom and we're going to press this blue scan button, and you're going to hear the printer begin to scan the page, and you'll also see a live preview of it as it's happening. Once it's complete, it's going to bring you to this page where you can crop the image if you want, or you can come to the bottom and just select full if you want the full area. Then in the top right, press next, and we have a few different options that we can change here. So if you press these three dots, then edit, you have this menu along the bottom where you can crop it, you can add some filters, some text, whatever. So just press done in the top right, and then let's just say that you had more than one page that you wanted to scan. You would press this add button and take out your first page, and then just put your next one in, and then just complete the scan as normal until you were complete. So finally, to save it, come to the very bottom and you'll see this share/save button. Here we can rename the file, we can change the file type, and then to save it, just press continue at the bottom. And here you can send it to a contact, you can email it to yourself, or if I press more here, we have the option to save the scan directly to our phone, which I will do now. And now the scan has been saved, so we can just back out of here and be brought back to the home screen. To connect this printer to a PC, we first need to put the printer into power mode. So you'll notice in power mode when this blue light is flashing here beside the Wi-Fi button. So if it's not, press the X button and the Wi-Fi button, hold them in at the same time for a few seconds, and then you'll notice that this light begins to flash. So now we are ready to connect it. Come over to your PC and we're going to open up the Microsoft Store. Once you've opened it, in the search bar at the top, we're going to type HP Smart. At the time of making this video, it is HP Smart as the official app, but it's changing to just HP in the near future. So just keep that in mind. Go ahead and download the app and open it up. I'm going to decline the optional data here, just because why have your information sent when you don't need to. Then we need to let HP Smart access the precise location. So click yes here on the left. And now we can see the home screen of the app. So at the top, click on Add Printer. And that's going to begin to search for your HP DeskJet 2900 series. So just give it a second to search, and here you should find it. Click on it. And now in the bottom right, just click Continue. And it's then going to ask for access to your Wi-Fi password. So if you click Continue here, it's going to automatically take your password. But if you press no thanks, then you'll have to manually enter your password in. So I'm just going to click Continue. And now it's going to start the Wi-Fi connection. You'll get this pop-up telling you that you need to press the flashing information button on your printer. So simply just come over to it and here, press this I. Just press it once, you don't need to hold it, and it will automatically update. And here we can see the printer is connected to the Wi-Fi with this check mark. This is good. Press continue. And now it's just going to get the driver information. So now I'm going to click driver unavailable and then come to the right and click continue. That's going to find the printer, and after a while it will bring us to the home screen of the app. So this is how it should look here. You should automatically be directed here, and you can see that the printer is online, and you can check the ink levels. I just need to put some paper in the printer, that's why I'm getting that message. So you have two options. You can print photos here or print documents. I'm going to print the document. Then it will give you this pop-up telling you to only print PDF files. So if you're printing anything else, just print them directly from the app or from the internet. Click OK, and that's going to open up your computer's files. So just find whatever it is you want to print and open it. You'll see a preview of it on the left. Then it will open up the printer settings. So at the top, just make sure that you have your printer selected. And you have a few more settings here that you can change along the left hand side. And then finally, come to the bottom here and just click on print. And here we have the printed page. Come back to the home screen of the HP Smart app, and you're just going to click on this scan button here. Here we will exit out of this pop-up. And along the right you have your different settings. So under presets you can change it from photo or document. I'm scanning the document. You can change the scan area if you want. And you can change the output of the scan, so color or grayscale. And finally you can change the resolution. So the higher the resolution here, the better quality of a scan that you're going to get. So if you wanted the very best detail, you would choose the highest DPI. However, it will take much longer. Finally, to do the scan, just lift up this lid here. Take the page that you're wanting to scan and place it face down. And then you want the top left of the page to be in the bottom right of the scanner glass. So just drag it over to the right, then close the lid. Now if you come back to your PC, in the bottom right, just click on this blue scan button, and that's going to complete your scan. So here we can see a preview of it. Then if you click these three dots in the top right, then edit, you can do a few more things with it. You can crop it if you want, just using the edges, or if you come to the bottom here, we can rotate the scan. Then along the right, you can add some filters, add some text, whatever. So just press done in the bottom right once you're happy with your edits. Then in the top right, there is this add button. So this is if you want to scan more than one page. So you click that add and then take out your first page, put your next one in, and then just complete the scans until you were complete. And when you're done, to save it to your computer, just come to the bottom, click save, rename it, change it from a PDF to a JPEG if you want. Click save, and then that's going to open up your computer's files where you can change the location to where you save it on your computer. And now we're done, so we can just press the back button and come to the home screen of the HP Smart app. Take the item that you want to make copies of, and we're going to lift the printer lid and place the item in just face down, and then align it in the bottom right here towards this arrow. So just drag the page over, then close the lid. If you come to the printer's control panel, these last two buttons are for the copies. So we have our black and white copy, and we have our color copy. So let's just say I want 2 black copies. I'll press this button twice, and then we will see the number 2 appear on the screen. So 1, 2, and here this means that we're getting 2 copies. So just make sure that you have enough paper at the back of the printer, and here we have our 2 copies. And now I'll just take the original out of the scanner glass. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.